How to edit Wix website on phone. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple it is to edit the website that you have created in a Wix platform. The process is very easy. So you are going to head over your phone, then you are going to head over the App Store if you are on iOS and the Play Store if you are on Android. Then you are going simply to click on the search bar and then you are going to type in only Wix. Just like that, you're going to search for it and then you are going to see Wix Website Builder. This is an app that will not take a lot of time from you to download and also install. So download it and then you are going to click on open. So normally when you click on open, if it is the first time that you are going to open it into your phone, it is going to demand for you to sign in or create an account within Wix. Basically, when you have achieved this, let's say, step, you have already a website and some content going on. So you're going to see here at the top, if you have signed in successfully, the name of your account and also the website lists. So you are going to see that list or the site dashboard that we've had from the desktop version. You're going to select the website that you want to modify, or also you can click on create new if in case you want to create a new one. So here you can see that we have also the Wix Studio labeled websites, so you can go ahead and modify them and add some here let's say light modification to them and not a lot of things, but it is okay. So I'm going to select this one, or Jack 3. This is the name of the website that I am going to use. So basically this is the dashboard. You're going to see the home button. You can see here all the steps that are available within the desktop version to complete the setup of the website. But here you can see the upcoming sessions if you have some sessions scheduled or appointment booked. And here you are going to see at the footer or the lower part of the phone, the analytics, the add button, the inbox, and the manage. For the analytics, it is going to have the statistics of the website. If you are going to click on add, you are going to add or set up, for example, services, product, invoices, pay links, and etc. And these are going to be only the dashboard, let's say modification or things that you're going to add to your website. And here, when you click on inbox, you're going to see all the messages that you have or the notification from the system. Now, when you click on manage, you're going to see the website and the mobile app. So aside from the control panel that we have here, you're going to have the option to modify the website or the mobile app. So if you are going to click on the pen tool on the website, like that, it will load up the website. And from here, you are going to get the option to modify it. But here, for my experience, I haven't had a lot of features that I am going to add, or have some features that I can add to this specific area. You're going to see the website, you're going to see everything, every part of the website, but on the mobile version, and that is going to be like that. So if you are going to click on something, for example a button or a text like that, I'm going to click on text. You can double tap on the text to select it or select a part of it. Write, for example, something that you want to add or write. This is going to be, or get in the font of the let's say the space or the text that you have set up from desktop. So if you're this was for the header, and for the text it is going to be having the same. So you can go ahead and modify the text and etc. Now for the button, you are going to click on it and you can edit it. So you can edit the label for the button and also put a link on it. And then you're going to set up page, for example, a link, web address, URL, email, or phone number, just like that. Then you're going to choose how to open the tab on a new tab or a current tab. Then you are going to type in the URL. So aside from that, we're going to click on done. And here we have the button, let's say setting. For the services, as you can see, you can go ahead and modify the typography of the service, and you can go ahead and click on it only. So for the services themselves, you need to go to the desktop to modify them, add something to them or something like that. So as you can read here, when I click on a element on it, only text, image, and buttons can be updated from your mobile device. To update this element, go to the desktop. That means you're not going to be able, or you do not have the authority to get the full Wix editor on your mobile. So basically, you're going to have some limited choices. So for example, I'm going to modify a part of the text. I'm going to get it into the screen, and it is not going to be very practical. So as you can see, this is very limited. The images also could be changed by selecting or clicking on the image, and then you're going to have the image, for example, to be linked or let's say hyperlinked. So for example, you can go ahead and click on change and change the image by adding an image, upload one, or get into the library of the images. Aside from that, you're going to have here only limited, let's say here, buttons or limited choices. So here, when you click on more, you're going to see the option to preview your website, publish it, or view the live site. Also, you can get the button to hire a professional from your mobile version. So here for the navigation, you can navigate through all your website pages. And that is by clicking on the header, we have the name of page. You're going to see the selected page, which is in our case here, home. I'm going to click on page, and then we are going to see all the pages that are contributed or contained by our website. So for example, I'm going to use or search for the booking calendar from here. I'm going to click on it and it will load up the page. From here, you can see what else that you can modify. Basically, in this page, I cannot modify a thing, only the text. So as you can see here, the phone number, the email that we can modify, also the address, and etc. So let's go ahead and visit another page. So for example, I'm going to head over the cart page, and we are going to see it is empty. Now we are going to head over the side cart. It is going to be empty. Also, you can go ahead and modify the text, for example, for the cart. Basically, it is not going to be modifiable. But aside from that, I'm going to head over the home page, and then this is the thing. So if you want to set up something or write down something, for example, resumes.shines in the let's say here dark market, or the for example lighted market of jobs or careers, and careers just like that. I'm going to put it. So we can go ahead and click on preview, and we are going to see the preview of that website. So this is why I've told you that this is very limited. When you see that everything is in order in here, so the writing is good and everything is okay, you can go ahead and click on publish. And here I want to put your attention to something. As you can see here, for the bold or characters that you want to put them, you can set up only capital letters, and you cannot put or modify the type of the text that you have. Aside from that, I highly suggest for you to head over wix.com, select the website that you want to modify, like this one on our case for today's video, and then you're going to open up the Wix editor, select the mobile version. So you are going to see only the mobile version. This is only the mobile version. It is not going to be related 100% for the desktop version, because Here, most of these sections are going to be minimized, and also maybe some of the, as you can see here, I have added this widget for this specific area. I'm going to click on preview. They could not be edited anyway on the mobile version. So you can see here that I have added this flipbook, and it will not play on the mobile version. Normally when you are going to click on it, but here as you can see it has clicked, but it is not going to be practical, only if you are going to slide it just like that. So if you like the previews, you can go ahead and click on publish, and here we have it. I'm going to leave here. So basically you can or here modify the mobile app that you have added and set up everything that you have. So you can add the elements and etc, and then you can control your mobile app from here. That was basically all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.